Hello everybody! In the last video, we learned how to use the git diff command. In this video, we're going to learn how to check the git commit history by using the git log command. So let's get to our terminal, and currently we don't have any changes. So what we can do is run git log, and this would show us all of the commits that we've made so far. Currently we have done 3 commits. So as you can see, this was the first commit. You have here the commit ID, which is a unique identifier of each commit. Then you have the author. That's the name that we specified in the initial video when we did the git configuration, and then followed by our email address. You also have the date when the commit was created and the commit message. The same goes for the other 2 commits that we have here. To exit the screen, just hit the Q button. If you wanted to see what has changed after a specific commit, so let's say we wanted to see what has changed since this second commit here. If we do git diff followed by the commit ID, then we can see what the changes were. As the git log provides a lot of information, what you could do is add the one-line tag. One-line tag, just like that. And then you can see only the commit ID and the commit message, rather than the more detailed information. This is pretty much it. This is how you can check your git log and see all of the commits that have been made to your repository. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next.